I, Mrs. Soonpurote, want to clarify that I have prepared this presentation for the submission of assignment of FDP conducted by Ramanujan College, Delhi. Information for this presentation is collected from the different resources from the Google. So now coming towards my topic of presentation, my topic or title of presentation is Social Organization in Honeybees. So first we will discuss about the social organization. Social organization means in one colony, three types of individuals are living together. They have a perfect coordination among each other. They have a perfect, they are living in a close association with each other, and they have um, division of labor is also nicely seen in the colony. Now we will see the individuals which are living together in the colony. So now bee colony consists of a single queen, then thousands of workers and hundreds of drones. All these are living in a hive which is made up of hexagonal structures. These are hexagonal structures. Now we will discuss the shape and size of each of these individuals. First we will see the shape and size of queen. This queen is bigger in size as compared to other individuals. So and the abdomen portion of this queen is very much larger. Then we'll see the shape and size of drone. This drone is comparatively smaller than the queen, and workers, they are the smallest individuals of the colony. Now we'll see their assigned roles. So first we'll see the role of queen. Queen is the only fertile female in the colony. She is the single individual and leader of the colony. Role of queen is to mate with the drone. For mating, queen along with some drones go for a nuptial flight. It mates with a drone. After mating, the drone dies and queen return back to hive and start laying eggs. It lays about 700 to 1000 eggs in a day. Worker bees feed royal jelly to larvae which are going to become queen. Then next is worker bee. We see the role of worker bees. These are the sterile females of the colony. These are hard worker bees. Almost all the work or functions of the colony are performed by these worker bees. Some of these functions are listed here. They clean the hive, removes the dead bodies of bees, and maintain hygiene in the colony. They nurse the nurse bees secrete royal jelly from their mandibular organs. They feed this royal jelly to the larvae destined to become queens. They nurse the larvae and also feed the drones. Their wax glands secrete wax which they use for building combs of the hive. They carry propolis from the plants and use it for covering walls of hive. The forager bees travel up to 3 kilometers for the collection of propolis, nectar and pollens. They maintain the temperature of the hive. In addition to the forager bees, when they go for collecting food, when return back, they communicate the distance of source of food to the other worker bees. For that they perform a particular type of dance, and they perform this dance in two ways. First is round dance and second one is waggle dance. When the distance of food source is lesser than 30 to 40 meters, they perform this round dance. And when the food source is greater than the 40 meters, they perform waggle dance. Now we'll see about the drones. These drones are the fertile males of the colony. Their only function is to mate with the queen. After mating, it dies. They are very idle and always begging for the food. They are taken care and tolerated only during the breeding season. But after that, They are driven out of the hive and they die of starvation. All these queen, drones and workers live in a different cells of the same hive. The size and shape is also different from each of them. Queen cells are present on the lower peripheral region and oval and elongated. Drone cells are present somewhat above that and are little bigger. Worker cells are very smaller cells. Then these are all these queen cells bigger. Then above that drone cells are present and in the central portion these worker cells are present. Then this slide showing the hive and all these are the worker bees performing different work. Hive is made up of hexagonal structures and made up of worker bees by wax. Some cells are these are the cells which are closed. Uh, as these uh, mm, as these worker bees collect the honey and store in these hive cells, and once the cells are filled with honey, they close these cells or they cap these cells, and these are covered cells containing honey. So this is the social organization in honeybees. Thank you.